Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make $100 plus per day with this simple technique. And you don't even have to do any of the work if you don't want to. But at first, I recommend that you do the work yourself and then you can pass it off to your virtual assistant. Let's get right into it, and I'm going to show you what we're talking about today. Okay, so here we are on Google Maps, and this is what we're going to be using to generate our $100 plus per day with this simple technique. So you come up here to Google Maps, and then you search for chiropractors, Royal Oak. You can do this in any city, so you can also do it virtually, any city that you want, and you can also have your virtual assistant do it all for you. So we hit the search button, and over here you can see that all these red dots are locations of chiropractors in the Royal Oak area. So what we're looking for is, well, let me pull up an example here. So you can see this chiropractor here. She has a picture, of course, lots of reviews. She has all her information filled out, phone number, website, everything. So she is all set, but that is not what we're looking for. We're looking for someone that is not quite set up that well in the Google My Business section, and we're going to help them generate more income. And here's one right here. As you can see, come down here, it says claim my business. This person has not claimed their business as their own yet in Google My Business, and that's what we're going to help them with. And we're also going to help them rank higher in Google My Business and get more business. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. What we're going to do first of all is contact them. So let's go over here. First, we're going to come over to Google itself, and we're going to type in chiropractors Royal Oak, and then we're going to look for them on Google itself without the map. So eventually what they want to be in is this 3-pack right here, and this is the ideal spot to be in any business. As you can see, they're not in here. We're going to come down here and see, what was the name of that? Norwood Chiropractic. And we're going to come down and try to find them. Looks like they're a little bit quite a ways down. Still not seeing them. So they are nowhere on the first page of the Google listing here and the Google search. So we're going to go back to the maps, and we're going to click on their profile. So we'll just type in Norwood Chiropractic in Royal Oak, and they'll pull up here. Click on them, and sometimes it'll go to their website. In this case, it goes to Facebook. So they don't even have a website. They need a lot of help with their presence on the internet and generating more leads and clients. So what we're going to do is contact them, and you can either call them or you can message them. In this case, sending a message is great. And what you want to do is come back over here and grab a picture of this, showing them what they're lacking. And I use Snagit. You can use any other capture program that you want. I know there's a few of them. So what we want to do is capture the picture, and then we can edit it. Maybe draw a circle around it. Around claim your business, right there. Maybe an arrow. There we go, and then we'll save that, and what we will do is send that picture over to them and offer to claim their business for free. So the reason we're doing that for free is that we can offer other things to get their ranking up into the Google My Business. And we don't have to do any of that work ourselves. If you don't know how to claim the business, you can also hire someone, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So the reason we're offering to do it for free is that we can get more back-end sales on this. So as you notice, they don't have a website. You can offer to create a website for them, and you don't have to do any of this work yourself. You hire it out. So you're basically being a middleman is what you're doing. and we're going to go over to Fiverr and get all our work done over there. And like I said, if you want your virtual assistant to look up all these properties, you can do that also. I don't recommend that until you do it yourself, and then you have also 3 other streams of income. So you can have your virtual assistant working on all 3 of those at the same time, keeping them busy. We're gonna come over here to Fiverr and we type in citations. So the citations is basically listings for their business that ranks them higher into the Google Maps or Google My Business. So we're gonna offer that service to them for between $100 and $300, average about $199. And the way to do that is to test the market out. So you start out low. If you're getting a lot of them, then you can raise it up higher, $200, $300. And you come down here and you can find people to do it for between $5, $10. And then you just contact these people with the client's information, give them the $10, you collect the $150, $199, $299, and then you're on your way. You can also do that for the web design, for websites. So you come down here, web design from $80, $150. And in this service, what you would do would charge in between $500 and $1,000 for a website, which will be optimized for Google and mobile. And like I said, you can do this for any city that you want. There's thousands of cities in the US. You can, like I said, if you have a virtual assistant, you can have them do all this manual work. But you can do it. You can also do it yourself, and you can easily make between $100 and $500 a day. It's very, very simple. It's an easy technique, and it's scalable. Okay, I hope you like this quick video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, please, and that will help the channel grow, and I'll bring you more content. See you in the next video.